When considering VPN software, Cryptostorm has been gaining attention as a solid option, but how does it stack up against the competition? Today, we're diving into 12 key things you need to know before deciding whether it's the right choice for you. The first thing you should know is that Cryptostorm is known for its strong privacy policies. Unlike many VPNs that log user data, Cryptostorm has a no logs policy, meaning they don't track your activities. This is a huge advantage if you're looking for something that prioritizes anonymity. Next, Cryptostorm uses a unique approach called cryptographic anonymization, where they focus on security by leveraging advanced encryption techniques. This helps keep your data secure while providing privacy. But it's important to note that this can lead to slightly slower speeds compared to other VPN providers who focus more on optimizing connection speeds. The third thing to consider is its server network. While Cryptostorm does offer servers in a variety of countries, it's not as expansive as some of the larger VPN providers like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. So if you're after a huge server selection, you may want to consider alternatives. The fourth thing is the compatibility. Cryptostorm works well with most devices, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but it doesn't have as many user-friendly apps for mobile devices as some competitors. If you're someone who uses a smartphone or tablet a lot, you might find it a bit limiting. The fifth thing to note is the pricing. Cryptostorm offers affordable plans, but its pricing can be a bit confusing with different tiers depending on the length of commitment. If you're looking for a clear, straightforward pricing model, competitors like NordVPN offer more simplicity. The sixth thing is its no questions asked refund policy. It's a big selling point for many users who want a risk-free trial. However, keep in mind that you might face delays in getting your refund processed, which is something other providers are quicker with. The seventh thing to remember is its speed performance. While Cryptostorm is secure, its speed isn't always the fastest, especially when compared to VPNs like Surfshark or ExpressVPN, which are designed to prioritize high-speed connections without sacrificing security. Next up, you should know that Cryptostorm excels when it comes to bypassing geoblocks, so it's a good choice if you want to access content that might be restricted in your region. However, it still doesn't work as consistently with streaming services like Netflix or Hulu compared to the top competitors. The ninth thing is the customer support. Cryptostorm offers a decent support system, but it's not as immediate or accessible as others. If you're used to 24/7 live chat support, you might find Cryptostorm's email-based support a bit slow. The 10th thing to consider is their multi-hop feature, which allows you to route your traffic through multiple servers for an extra layer of security. This is a great feature for those who prioritize anonymity, but it can further reduce connection speeds, something to consider if speed is important to you. The 11th thing is that Cryptostorm allows you to use its service on multiple devices, which makes it convenient if you have several gadgets you want to secure. However, the number of simultaneous connections is limited compared to other VPNs that offer a wider range of devices connected at once. Finally, the 12th thing to note is that Cryptostorm is generally a good option for privacy-conscious users looking for a reliable VPN. However, compared to the top industry players, its overall features, speed, and device compatibility may leave some wanting more. In conclusion, Cryptostorm is a solid VPN choice, especially if privacy is your top priority. But if you want a better all-around VPN with faster speeds, more server locations, and more intuitive apps, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.